Okay. Now this may surprise you, but it's time to go digital. I'm Dennis Hodges, and this is Creative Nibble. If you know me, you know that I'm a huge advocate for going analog, using paper, pencils, markers, index cards, whiteboards, whatever, to take a break from devices and create. But the reality is we still have our computers and we need to use them. But what's cool is you have the potential to separate your analog and digital workspaces pretty easily. Now let me show you my workspace. It's not that big really, but here you can see my analog side, where I have my paper, pencils, and markers, and I can focus on my work in that space. But when the time is needed, I can slide over to my digital workspace and work on the computers and use a scanner and printer accordingly. So as I said, my workspace is not that big. In fact, this table is pretty average size. So the good news is you could probably do the same with your workspace. And that's your creative nibble. Pause, think, create.